teacher and classmates. Today my group and I are going to talk about the reproductive system. The reproductive system is the set of all organs and the structures in the human body responsible for ensuring reproduction and the continuity of the species. Its main function is the reproduction of sex cells gametes, their transportation, and in the case of the female system, providing a suitable environment for fertilization, embryonic development, and birth.
Hi teacher, hi everybody. My name is Andrea and I'm going to talk about the functions or mechanisms of actions of the reproductive system. Okay? First of all, I'm going to talk about the production of gametes. That in the case of the male, the testes produce sperm cells. And in the case of the female, the ovaries produce egg cells. So, what is production of gametes? Production of gametes is the biological process of creating sex cells, sperms, and egg cells. The second one is the transportation of gametes. In the case of the male, the sperms travel through the testes and it exit through the urethra. And in the case of the female, the egg cells leave the ovary and it's transported through the fallopian tube. So the transportation of gametes is the movement of sperm and egg cells from the origin to the site of fertilization, which is occurs in the female reproductive tract. After that, we have the fertilization. It normally occurs in the fallopian tube when a sperms units with an egg cells and together create a zygote or a baby. Yeah. Next, we have the embryonic development that it's obviously in the female system. The zygote implants in the uterus and begins its development until it becomes a fetus. Finally, we have the labor and birth. After 9 months, the female reproductive system concludes the reproductive process with the birth of the baby through the birth canal. So that's how the reproductive system works. And for the conclusions, the reproductive system is essential for the human development and the survival of our species. Thank you.
Hi, parts of the reproductive system. Testes produce sperm cells and progesterone. Epididymis stores mature sperm cells. Vas deferens transport sperm cells. Seminal vesicle and prostate gland produce fluid that nourish and protect sperm cells. Um, Penis and urethra allow release of semen. Pars female ovaries produce egg cells and female hormones, estrogens and progesterone. Fallopian tubes transport the egg cells and serves as the site of fertilization. Ureters worthy, a fetus develop vagina communication canal to the outside, cells sperms and cells adapt passageway during birth, vulva, external parts that protect the entrance to the vagina and urethra.